Hello, I'm Rémi JOVE, Division Director at ALTEN for 20 years. In the past 12 months, I led a project on AI solution to one of our major customers. We have two main challenges. One challenge is clearly to ensure a high level of quality in our delivery, but the other one is also to implement continuous improvement and disruptive technology. In that context, I decided with the technical direction to lead a project specifically based on AI solution to facilitate and to improve the delivery of part of the activity for our customer. My customer is managing every day a huge amount of data. This activity is critical as it enables him to assess the performance and the reliability of its product. We propose to switch to an AI solution. First, we went through a feasibility study to assess several models based on LLM. Then we contribute with the ALTEN team to industrialize and deploy this solution into the IT environment of our customer. We faced two main challenges. First, we had to ensure that the quality of our AI solution will provide the same level than the human one. Second, we need to make sure that our solution will be fully compliant with IT rules and IT platform of our customer. Thanks to our AI experts, IT experts, and a strong collaboration with our customer, of course, we succeed on both. Success was measured by different items. The quality of data, then the speed to perform that AI solution, and of course the IT resources needed to perform this activity. Operationally, the success of this AI project enabled our customer to reallocate resources on more strategic activities. On the financial part, it is also a huge saving as it represents 70% savings on this specific project. I see AI enhancing all types of activity in all industries, especially in the aviation one, from the design to the manufacturing, but also support and services activities. I think that AI will enable our engineers to be augmented to provide the highest level of activities to our customers. The success of an AI project is linked to our knowledge of the business of our customer, plus our AI expertise and also IT solutions.